Hi, I'm Mike Adamczyk, a learning strategist on Planet Technology's Evolve 365 team. Here, I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how to make it easier to see while using your Windows 11 device. We'll first want to open our accessibility settings, which is easily done with the keyboard shortcut Windows key U. From here, we can see our vision settings at the top. Our first option for text size allows us to increase just the size of text on our device. Now, I also like to come down to our display settings and scroll down to increase scale. There is a recommended scale setting for your screen, but don't be afraid to select a larger zoom level. This will zoom our entire screen instead of just the text. Next, we'll open our mouse pointer and touch settings. Here, I like to select a color for my mouse pointer to make it easier to see. I also increase the size of my pointer so I don't lose it as easily. If you don't like a large pointer but still don't want to lose sight of it, we can scroll down to find our mouse settings, then select Additional Mouse Settings, and this will open our Mouse Properties box. At the top, there is a tab for pointer options, and from here, we can select to show location of pointer when I press the Control key. This is what you see me demonstrating here, and can make finding our mouse pointer easy even when it has its default size and color. The text cursor settings work similarly to our mouse pointer settings, and allows for us to enable the text cursor indicator. This makes it easy to see exactly where we are typing. Magnifier is a powerful tool we can use to zoom in on our screen. You can turn it on here, but I prefer to use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus. This is called the lens view, which magnifies anything behind your mouse pointer. You can also use the full screen or docked views depending on your preference. You can zoom in and out using the box that appears here, or you can use the keyboard shortcuts Windows key plus to zoom in and Windows key minus to zoom out. You can also close magnifier using Windows key escape. You can also adjust colors on your screen using color filters for different types of color blindness, or you can adjust using contrast themes. You can increase contrast and use darker colors here. You can use these tips and tricks to make it easier to see content on your Windows 11 device. But remember, if you ever join a virtual meeting and share your screen, those joining will also have an easier time seeing what you are sharing by using these settings. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.